welcome back to my channel. So for those of you who are new, my name is Alex. Thank you so much for joining us. So today I will be unboxing my MacBook Pro, and I am so excited that it's finally here. I have begged my husband for this laptop for a few months now, so I am very happy. I also have a couple accessories we're going to be trying out. I have the Type-C hub. I also have a Magic Mouse 2, and then I have a laptop case that we're going to be putting on as well. So I really hope you guys enjoy this video. Again, if you're not already, please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. It means everything to me. And let's get started. Okay guys, real quick, the video is going to cut out, but all that came in the box was the actual laptop, the charger adapter, and the charging cable. Guys, I'm just so excited about this. Like I said, begged my husband. I begged, pleaded, begged. I did all of that. And then this thing had the nerve to take 2.5 weeks, almost 3 weeks to get here, even though we did the express delivery. Look at my baby. Look at you, Mac Daddy. I need a name for my Mac. Y'all help me out. Leave a comment. Let me know. What should I name it? Do you guys see me like dancing over here in the screen of the laptop? Like, that's real excitement. I have been wanting this forever. I'm so excited. Okay, so disclaimer guys, I have never had a Mac computer. I am used to Dell, I'm used to Windows. The only thing I really know about Apple is my iPhone, so this is going to be very interesting to learn.
macOS contains a built-in screen reader called VoiceOver. If you know how to use VoiceOver, press the command key while you press Touch ID 3 times at the right end of the touch bar. To learn how to use VoiceOver to set up your Mac, press the Escape key.
Oh my god, where's the command key? Press the Escape key to here to set up. I'm almost pretty sure y'all are judging me right now. Like, girl, it's 2020. You don't know how to work a Mac. But listen, It was a struggle. I finally got my Apple ID set up. I finally got the computer to actually get to the home screen. So that was an accomplishment within itself. But now I'm going to go ahead and add this Magic Mouse 2, see how that works, see how it moves around, you know, things like that. Okay guys, so I have everything just about connected already. I did my Apple ID, I set up my Touch ID, so now I'll also connected the mouse. So I am going to attempt to put on my face mask. Okay, so I just wanted to add this little clip in here to show you guys what I am used to using. These are the laptops that we use in our house. This is what I'm used to. And I also wanted to just see how it looks side by side. I did go ahead and get the Mac 13-inch, and at this point I really wish I would have got the 16-inch, but you know, it still all works fine. It still looks really good, but compared to our other computers in the house, it is a little bit on the smaller side. But that's why I wanted to show you guys this side by side, just in case you were considering purchasing a MacBook Pro. Okay guys, so that is all for today's video. I was going to try to use the Type-C USB, but I really don't have a need for it right now, but I will try to upload a video later on that and see how that goes. But thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, again, please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. I appreciate it, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.